Hello everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through user roles and custom user roles. To get started, click on Settings in the sidebar. Then click on User Roles. This is where you can manage who can access and perform specific actions within the system. These permissions help ensure data security and give you effective control over your organization's resources. Now let's create a custom user role. To begin, click on Add Custom Role. Enter a user role name. You can choose an existing role from the drop-down to load as a starting point, and then click Done to save your new custom role. Now that the custom role for developer is created, you can customize the permissions under each module to fit your team's specific needs. Now let's assign this custom role to a user. To do that, navigate to Settings. Then click on Manage Users. From the user list, click on a user's current role. From the drop-down, we'll select Developer to update this user's role. And that's how you assign a custom role. Thanks for watching.